milk chocolate, and then they have a deep chocolate. So for us melanin ladies, it look good on them. Like I said, I'm wearing the pants now, so y'all just stay tuned, watch this video, and also I will be doing some shapewear giveaways, so y'all stay tuned to that. Find out how y'all can get y'all some shapewear from me for free. Now, I'm gonna throw it at y'all. My bad. Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. You clicked on this video because you want to see what I'm giving away, what's chocolate, and what am I talking about some pants. Okay, Shaper Mint has now, they're offering pants, real pants, versatile pants. You can wear them to the office, you can wear them to your kids' school, you can wear them grocery shopping, for the holiday season, date night, church. It does not matter, and they look good on your body. I have them on now, and I will be sharing it. Also, they have a new chocolate line, and they have more of like a milk chocolate, and then they have a deep chocolate. So y'all just continue watching. These are the very first pair that I will be sharing with you guys. I'm going to keep this video very quick and simple because I got to go grocery shopping, okay? But I will be wearing these while I'm out grocery shopping today. And these are the high-waisted Shaper panty. And when I tell y'all they're high-waisted, they are. If this top look familiar, it's because this is their cami. Guys, what I like most about the Shaper Mint high-waisted Shaper panty or the high-waisted panty is that even though it smooths you down, it does not make you look or feel like you in somebody else's body. You can feel confident with all your curves and your shape and your fufa and your everything else you got going on. And I'm looking at my mirror right now. You'll be able to eat through the holidays. I love that it is in a deep chocolate for us melanin ladies, and it just makes you feel good. Like I said, you can embrace every single curve you have. You don't have to hide it. Just love the skin that you're in. Be beautiful in it. All right, y'all. The next one that I have for you guys are their high-waisted Shaper shorts. I did get these in the 3XL as well. Y'all remember the first time I got these, baby, I made the mistake and did the extra large. No, I got the large to extra large. No, I didn't. I got the medium to large. And child, I couldn't do nothing with them. I had to get them to my kids. So we're going to try these on, okay? I'm going to throw them at y'all. My bad. And hobbling around. But these here, I love them. I'm so glad I got these in the 3XL because I already know any other size just would not have fit right. I love that it's in this deep chocolate. I did put me on some biker shorts underneath here because even with my underwear or my undergo, well, with my underwear, you would have been able to see through it. So I did have to go in and put on some black biker shorts. So if y'all see that line, that's what it was. Because even though these are not 100% see-through, they're still a little sheer. But they're not see-through, but they are sheer. And these does come all the way down to your knees. Now, if you want to, you can wear these, you know, when you're around in your house and just pair it with a cute little t-shirt. I like the fit on these definitely better than when I had got these in the medium and large, because I never tried these in a 2XL because when I wanted the 3, they didn't have them because these here are the deeper chocolate, but I am going to get their other brown color that they have, and I want to try to get these. I think I'm just going to go for the lighter brown as well. So, okay, now this is what y'all came for. This is what y'all wanted to see. As I told you guys, Shaper Mint now have pants. And when I say pants, they are not leggings. They are pants, y'all. So we're going to go ahead on and talk about these bad boys, okay? I'm going to show them to you guys fresh out the bag. We're going to see them together for the first time. Now, these pants here, I did get these in the 2XL. Of course, they by Impetua. And they are pants, y'all. This is the pocket. And I know they are not actually, you know, real functional pockets, but they do have the pocket on the back. And this is the front of them. So we're going to go ahead on and slip in these bad boys. And I think these are going to fit a little big on me, which is okay. Yeah. As far as like, because like I said, these are pants, kind of like a slack material almost. And I don't like for my slacks to fit super tight. I don't want them to fit big or baggy, but I don't want them to fit super tight. Yeah, let me get the wrong size so y'all don't have to, okay? So again, these are the 2XL. And as you guys see, I do have a good bit of room in these just because they come up some, how the reinforced, how the waistband is thick. So it is big on my stomach area. And I do have on, still have on the Shaper Mint top. But as far as the back, they fit real good. I just wish that the pockets was functional. I'm going to show y'all the leg. And like I said, it does fit really nice for a pant because they are more like the way that they feel more like slacks. So if you are going to wear them to an office, or even if you're going to wear them to church, a meeting, if you have a meeting at your kids' school, it'll be perfect. You put on you a nice top with a blazer and you good to go. Or you can just wear these out if you're going to run errands and you want to throw on a casual t-shirt or a jean jacket. You can do that and be good to go. Like the fit on these. If you're my size or if you're heavier, you can do a 1XL. I would say, and I don't want to determine it by weight, but if you are normally, I would say, because I am in a 3XL and the rest of their stuff, do a 1XL in it. Unless you're a little bit heavier than I am, you can get the 2XL and it'll fit a little bit more snug in the waist area. Again, I do have on my Shaper panties and I do still have on this Shaper tank. So if I did just have on a regular bra, I'll see if it'll fit different. And I guess I can go ahead on and share that, show it so I can share it with you guys so y'all can get a full review. But I love these pants though. I'm very glad that they do offer pants now because, yeah, they're dressy and they're comfortable. And they won't be too tight on my ankle area. So, yeah, let me go ahead and grab me a t-shirt and a jean and show y'all how I would pair it with that. And I'll be right back. Oh, I ran into some complications. Had to call Bay in here. All right. Now, I'm just going to share with you all real quick with a simple shirt. Y'all know I'm from Mississippi, so it's the silk shirt. I have it paired with the same black pants. And then I'm just throwing it on with this jean jacket that I got from Goodwill. So I want y'all to see that you can definitely dress these pants up, which I know I didn't go get no dress shirt. But just imagine, I'm crippled right now, okay? Y'all don't want to see me to continue hobbling and wobbling. But you can pair this with a blazer with a nice shirt, or you can dress these down and just do you a cute little tee and have it paired with a jean jacket or however you choose. But for a comfortable day, if I'm just going to throw these slacks on or throw these pants on and run an errand, this is what I'll do. Pair it with a cute little jean jacket and just head on out the door and just be simple and cute. But I love these pants. I really don't regret getting them in the 2XL because, again, it's holiday season. I already know I'm going to gain some extra little weight. So, because this is my first time seeing these pants.
I like them.
And they do feel good.
Those pants are very versatile, what I'm trying to say.
Right.
Like you can wear them to the office, business meeting, church, on a date, just a regular outing. So they're very versatile. Because most slacks are made a certain way. You just wear them to the office or a business meeting. But those are more like slacks, but casual, classy, elegant, whatever you want to, how do you want to do it? Like you can dress them down, dress them up, or just be comfortable in them. So I really like those.
And any age can wear these too.
Right.
But I don't know, I love these pants, y'all. Out of everything that I've had from Shaper Mint, I would have to now say that this is my favorite, and then the cami is my second favorite. But I do love that they got the new chocolate glass. So I think Shaper Mint, and I don't want to keep y'all all day because y'all know I can ramble, but y'all be right there with me, support me. So I appreciate it. But y'all will see all of these outfits on my Instagram channel, on TikTok, and on Snap. If you follow me, because when I wear these, I will highlight them and show them to you guys. I will do some reels and stuff, so y'all have a lot more chances to see it, not just today. But I just ask that y'all bear with me that I can't get everything out right now because, like I said, I'm still trying to manage on this messed up foot, okay? But I think Shaper Mint, y'all know how I feel about them. All of their links will be in the description box below. along with any discount codes that I have for you guys. I will be doing a Shapermint giveaway on some stuff that I have never worn. I didn't even wear them in a video, so they have never been worn at all. I did showcase them and share them to you guys, and they all are what, 2 extra large? I think I have them from large, extra large, and 2XL. So when I get ready to do that giveaway, I will let you guys know. So I don't have a lot, so it's going to kind of be first come, first serve type giveaway, or however, I don't know. We're going to figure it out. And then I'll pick the winner, and I will send them to you guys. So just keep in mind, the sizes will range from medium to large, large to extra large, and 1XLs. So if you are in that size and you want some Shapermint shapewear for free, let me know. I'll send them to you guys free of charge. You just be a winner of some shapewear right in time for the holidays. So I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe. Have an amazing Thanksgiving holiday. And we will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after.